So very good afternoon. Here I am selecting about uses of plastics now. Actually we have two types of plastics. Okay, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Two types of plastics we have. So among those, thermoplastics are reusable and recyclable. We can recycle new products from the old products. Those are thermoplastics. And while coming to the thermosetting plastics, those are not melted and re-get back as new product. So those are thermosetting plastics. While coming to the thermoplastics, the examples are PVC bottles, okay, polythene bags. Here poly means many, thin, ethene, polyethylene. Polythene bags means actually polyethylene means poly plus ethene. Okay, and polyvinyl chloride also called as PVC. What are the bottles we have? We have symbols PVC bottles in our regular life. We are using as water bottles. Okay, and common thermoplastics are actually thermoplastics only. While coming to the polystyrene, the light plastic which can be easily molded, and it is used to make the item like thermocol, electronic items, for packaging electronic items. Here we are using these, and the wires which are on the top of the electrical wires also low inside we have copper, and the outermost coating is with plastic. Okay, and perspex, it is the transparent thermoplastic of great strength which can be used as a glass. Okay, transparent plastic means it is looks like a glass, so that is the name of perspex. And while coming to the Teflon, the coating which is on the surface of the non-stick pan. Teflon is the outermost coating of the non-stick pan. And while coming to the common thermosetting plastics and their uses, bakelite, it is used hard and tough plastic. So bakelite is the best example. Here I am taking is that is the handle of the cooker, electric switches, plugs, whatever we are using in our daily life. That means cooker and utensils handles. So from that we can get heat absorption is very less. So this is also comes under the uses of plastics. Okay, absorbs less heating. Bakelite absorbs less heating, so we can catch easily. We can carry easily by using that utensil. And while coming to the melamine, it can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, unbreakable kitchen items. It is used for making floor tiles, unbreakable kitchen items, and fire resistant fabrics. Okay, these are the examples for melamine. Okay, melamine kitchen items like this. And while coming to the properties of plastics, shape, reactivity, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, inexpensive and readily available, soluble in water, strength and lightweight. So here we have to understand, Kaushik, properties of plastics. So under that, first one is shape. Easily molded, we can make different items from those, isn't it? We can easily mold as new item. That is the advantage of plastic. Okay, so size such as bags, sheets, buckets, furniture, toys and combs, everything we are using in our daily life, most probably those are plastic items only. So without plastic also we cannot live, and with more plastic we will get some problems. And while coming to the reactivity, so chemical items whatever we can store in plastic items will not be damageable. Okay, we can protect our kitchen items also by using plastic boxes. Okay, and those are having less reactivity with acids and bases. Plastics will less reactive with acids and bases, so that's why we can use as containers of plastic for storing chemicals. Okay, in laboratories most probably those people are using plastic items. Why? Because the less reactivity. And while coming to the thermal conductivity, plastics are poor conductors of heat actually. So they will not absorb heat fastly. So that's why we are using utensils handles by made of bakelite and melamine. Melamines are the kitchen items, and bakelite is used for switchboards and cooker handles, like that. Okay, and Teflon is the coating of the non-stick pans and utensils, and that is thermoplastics. Teflon comes under thermoplastic. Non-stick pan మీద use చేసే Teflon thermoplastic. While coming to the thermosetting, bakelite and melamine are the examples. Okay, and while coming to the electrical conductivity, poor electrical conductivity, because of that only we are using wires with plastic coating. Inside we have copper wire, outside coating is with plastic. Because plastic is poor conductivity of electricity, so we cannot get shock due to that. If the plastic coating cutted means we'll get shock, isn't it, Kaushik? Yes, very good. And inexpensive and readily available. So each and every items are very cheap in cost, and we can store food, jams, juices, pickles, and soft drinks, everything in plastic bottles. Isn't it? Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Sprite, these all bottles are made up of plastic. Isn't it? So, while compared to the metals, these are cheap in cost and readily available. And while coming to the solubility in water, plastics are insoluble in water. Plastics are insoluble in water. As such, they are used to make buckets and glasses. Plastics are insoluble in water actually. So, that's why we are using buckets, jugs, mugs, all by made up of plastics. And strength and lightweight, plastics are lighter than metals actually. Plastics are lighter than metals. They have, yes, very good, light in weight. Okay, and very strong also, because of less reactivity, there is no rusting of plastic easily. They cannot rust. Okay, they are durable, lightweight, strong. That's why these all are considered. While coming to the disadvantages here, excessive use of plastics. So what are the environment? Those are harder the environment. Global warming increases since plastic takes several years to decompose. That's why environmental pollution will be increasable by using plastic bags and all plastic items. If we throw here and there, we'll get problems. Or else if we reuse, recycle means we can get easy way with the plastic also. Less manufacturing, more usage by using plastic is the better way to reduce the pollution. Okay, biodegradable means those are decomposed by living organisms in the soil. So the materials which are decomposed in the soil by the living organisms is called biodegradable material. While coming to the non-biodegradable, those type of, for example, plastics are the biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Non-biodegradable. Okay, plastic waste when disposed carelessly destroy the natural beauty of the place. Okay, plastic waste destroyed the natural beauty of the place. Plastic bags choke the drains, which results in overflowing of wastewater, and this provide good breeding place of mosquitoes. So due to that, mosquitoes will store, and the drainage system will also block through waste we are throwing out as plastic bags, which may go and stuck in a pipe of drainage. So drainage will be blocked. Okay, drain will be blocked due to that. So burning of plastic also releases poisonous gases. Okay, if we throw plastic into the water, aquatic life will be disturbed. Plastic wastes can cause soil pollution also. And if we throw out into the atmosphere, environment, the plastic bags, so living organisms like cows and buffaloes, sheep, goats, whatever it may be, they will eat means they will die. The plastic polythene bag will go inside and stuck into their okay, stuck into their stomach or whatever it may be, in throat, wherever it may be. So those will be died like that. Okay, how to reduce these type of plastic pollution? So for that, now only you said, So reduce dependence on plastic bags, other items made of plastic. We have to use other than plastic bags like jute bags, paper bags, cloth bags we can use. Okay, and reuse means we have to reuse one bag once again and again. Then we will reduce the manufacturing of the plastic bags, and we can recycle. If we throw here and where, what is happening? Biodegradable wastage will increase. So don't throw like that. Use those as recycled products. We have to sell those to the manufacturing industries by, yes, consumers, customers and industries. So we have to resend those back, and those bags non-biodegradable waste will be reusable, recyclable, and recycle thermoplastics is good, but thermosetting we cannot recycle, isn't it? Thermosetting plastics we cannot reuse, but thermoplastics we can reuse, recycle. Okay, use biodegradable plastic instead of non-biodegradable plastic. Why? Because in some cases, the plastic bags have some properties. According to that property, some plastic is biodegradable to the earth and some are non-biodegradable. So use biodegradable only. Here they are saying. Okay, and 4R principles are reduce, reuse, recycle and recover the environment. Peace again. Okay, clean environment again. This is information about our plastics. Thank you.